Hey, what's up guys? In this episode of Beyond Reviews, we are going to go ATVing all over Calagsawa, and we're gonna try to get near to Mount Mayon. And this is my homeland, Bicol. I love this place. So I'm with my wife and my brother Emil and Lulu. We're gonna have some fun.
Tell us, where are we?
Lignon Hills.
Lignon Hill?
Not Lignon, Lignon Hills.
Lignon?
Yes.
It's a silent G.
It's a
Yeah.
what?
It's a silent G.
Like,
It's a
like
lignon.
filet mignon?
Yes,
G and
filet
mignon.
mignon.
Filet mignon. Like Dorado mignon.
What, so this one is Mayon?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mayon! But how?
It's mahiyain. That's why it doesn't show her face.
We're about to go ATVing here at Calagsawa, very near the Mount Mayon. This is our guide John. He's gonna get the ATVs today. Pretty cool place. Let's see if it's safe. Let's have some fun. I'm using the Vilta-M Freevision, and we'll see if I'll be able to shoot with it. I think it's gonna be a bit hard doing this. Okay, I'm driving with one hand. It's pretty hard to do this. You won't really get to enjoy. I think you gotta have a harness or something so you can really enjoy it. Oh my goodness. I'm using the Freevision Vilta-M and I'm riding this one-handed and it's crazy. That's Mayon, guys. That's Mayon. It's covered. Love it, man.
John's good, man. John's pretty good tour guide.
Good tour guide. That's This area is crossing a mini little river or creek here near the Mayon volcano. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Definitely, you gotta look for John here. He's the best.
Yeah, no, no, no.